guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making crabs and I'm gonna show you the process. Hope you enjoy. First you get the crabs, obviously. Get a good amount of crabs like I have here. And get some seawater from the same sea that you got the crabs and make the water boil. And when it's boiling you need to throw the crabs in alive. Because if you don't throw them in alive, they turn poisonous. Here is me, my family, and my friends throwing the crabs in. And also be very careful because it's boiling hot water. And here's my crabs. Leave them in for 15 to 20 minutes and be very careful when you take them out because the water is really hot. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and if you're ever gonna have crabs, you should do what I did. See ya!